Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video. It's about the trade I did today, pound USD, but I also wanted to show that how I did it and what is the reason behind it. So let's get started. This is pound USD 1 week weekly chart I made, and I gave it to my subscribers and told them what to do. It's 21st September. Okay, so this is a nice simple setup on a weekly chart, and the target was that if we go below 35.02, we're going to be going down, and 29.32 is the first target, and if we go more to the downside, then fine. So first thing first, in bits is always better because you never know when the market turns around. So what happened from there? I have charts open that I'm going to show you one by one. So I start shorting that, and this was a trade I did, but I forgot to keep the chart, make the chart. So it came down. This is the level, and pay attention to the level. See, 35.02. It's coming below and came down to 34.43. Bounced from there, went back to test 35. Another trade. And this is the one I'm showing here, right? So it's coming down nicely. And then what happened is this. Okay, so this was a trade you just saw. So it came down all the way and then closed here again, went up, made another setup. And here we go, just, breaking 34.43 now and going down. And my target was 32.66. So this one started to come down. And where it go here, and I think that's where I close it, but you see the target was 32.66, so eventually it needed to go there, and it did, and it was kind of breaking 32.66, and we had a short setup again, so that's where I made an entry. I forgot to put my 32.63 line here, 66, but you can see it's 32.60. So right around 32.66, I made the entry again, and this one went down straight to. There is a level; it's supposed to go there, but I closed here because this is. I think that was like all the way from there to 180 pip. Enough is enough, right? So no one will take a chance. I saw a couple of reversal candle coming in, and right at the pivot, I closed. But it went down all the way to that level, which is 34.47. You're going to see it now. So when it went to that level, and it was a big drop, so eventually it had to bounce from there, and it did. And right there on a 40-minute chart, my entry, and you can see going to the upside, making a short setup actually, but it is like I said that it dropped too much and needed retracement. So then you can only go long. Otherwise, here, no. So from here, 30.47 went back up, and again you see the level to go to 32.66, and this is 70 pip. I closed because I don't want to take a chance going against the trend. So, 46, 50, 60, 70, 80. Just close it. So it went up there, nice and clean. So this was the nice trade. And then look what happened today. And I especially made this chart because, just to show that how you wait for the setup and then take the entry with plan. Okay. So this chart, you see this, I made it yesterday, and on the 10th, actually, day before yesterday. That's when the price going up into the wave, yellow line, and I said somewhere here I'm gonna have an entry, and this is how a short setup builds. We'll take entry from 20-minute chart. Okay, so it is in the area of the setup, just below 32.66. I was expecting that it might go all the way to 32.66 and then drop, or sometimes it just drop because of the news or the volume. Sometimes. But, see right here, it dropped exactly from 34.43. Before it dropped exactly here from 35. So these levels, these numbers are very important. This is here exactly, it bounced from 30.47. Okay, these are the weekly numbers, by the way. if you want to see where they are, see this 3047. This is the high. Okay, so it came down here and then bounced from there. And similarly, 2902, 3502 is from a monthly chart. Okay, it's a big number. So these numbers are very important. So anyway, so I made this chart that this is how the setup builds, and once the entry shows up, and I'll take it from 20-minute charts. Because 20-minute chart, I only have to use SL 25 pip. If I take entry and then wait for a reversal candle on a 40-minute chart, that's SL is 40 pip, 35 pip, around 35. So it's a little bit more. So why wait? Waste that. You just take the entry from 20-minute chart. Okay. So what happened? 20-minute chart entry, and by the way, I forgot to tell you that coming to this level. Let me see, where's that? Okay, this is the 20-minute. Let me show you for the 20-minute. So it went, and this is the entry that I had to take, right at 32.66. Short entry, straight down to 100 pip. Right? So you see how easy it is, step by step. This is what the setup was. I said it's building, and I was waiting for the entry, and I will take an entry from 20-minute, and when that happened, I took the entry, and before that I made the chart right here to see. This is how a short setup builds. An entry is from 20-minute chart. You see the entry here? I took it exactly at this black line. It's very, very important. Both of these black lines are very important. So it just touched 32.66, start dropping, and I even tweeted on the Twitter that 32.66, it's coming off 32.66. So my subscribers know what to do when I tweet like that. So it is start coming down and nice and clean 100 pip trade. So you see, this is how with plan, if you have a daily, or not daily, but basically I made most of my charts are like weekly charts I use for the swing change. And then similar chart I had for pound Aussie as well, and then I'm hitting pound Aussie as well to the short side. And one other trade I did today is also pound Aussie. Here you don't see a level here, but yeah, it was a nice level here, and short setup all the way down. First this level, bounced a little bit, broke it down, broke this level, tested it down, 155 pip. Very, very clean trades. Okay, so this is how just wanted to show that my analysis and the system, if you make a little bit of effort and learn, this is how systematically you can trade. These are like hundreds of pips of trades since one chart I made 21st September. Not only that, the similar chart I have like for pound pair, USD pairs, yen pairs, everything is covered. And I give it to my subscribers that, whoever, I'm trading this, but sometimes, somebody likes something else. For example, people ask me, Euro CAD, Euro New Zealand, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie I trade as well, but Euro CAD and different, so people have different taste. Okay. I always get requests. So I do analysis on almost everything, all the pairs. I cover like 12 to 14 pairs plus the indexes, individual currency indexes. All right. So this is how beautiful it was today. Perfectly, planned, waiting for the setup, and the setup builds here. I made a 20-minute entry. Trade goes down. 100 pip cash out exactly at 31.19. And then what happened today is that there was somebody came out and said something, and then it went back to 32.66. So it is right around there just now. Right now it's 32.60. Actually 32.62. Okay. So another short setup is ready basically, but right now it's not the time to trade. It's 4 p.m. It's a dead time, no volume, so I'm not going to bother with that. And if the setup still holds until the London session comes, then I'll see. But the Friday is always a very bad day. Thursday is the biggest moving day. If you want to trade good, you want to make more pips, that's the day, Thursday night. Okay, so this is just wanted to show You can do the same if you learn a little bit, and that's it. It takes a little effort, and then you control the market. Simple as that. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, go on my website, use the subscribe button, and get the system, get the charts, the template. I give you everything, the EA, the indicators, all of this mumbo jumbo, and the template. And the template, like, you will have my weekly chart like this on your computer, okay, with the lines and the numbers and everything. I make the templates of all the pairs and the indexes, and I have a folder that which I give to my subscriber when they sign up. And what you can do is open a chart and apply the template, and you will have the same thing exactly with all the lines and numbers on your computer, okay, plus the chart as well, static chart. So everything is covered. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.